Balik daw sa una. Do you have any questions regarding the repatriation?
The assurance lang na kung nire-request na sila na punta kayo ng Sanaa, punta kayo ng southern border ng Altuan, ang fear nga nila, ang travel time, mga 6 hours papuntang Sanaa, 2 hours papuntang border. Paano yung safety nila? Kasi wala silang diplom, parang kahit mga taga-embassy na.
I suggest you give us the information, the names of these Filipino nationals, their address, where they are, place of work or residence, and then we will confirm this information with our CCRT.
Pero sir, the last time kasi parang sabi natin, di ba, there's a possibility na magsara yung mga so, yung ano lang po, yung last time din, baka yung last ba? So, ano mo ba ang sabi ng
Well, hanggat meron pang mga Filipinos na nag-register na gustong magpa-repatriate, and then hanggat malalabas pa sila, tutulungan pa rin sila lumabas ng ating embassy tsaka ng CMT. Kanya-kanya arrangement ang ginagawa, kung depende kung nasan sila, and depende kung ano yung pwedeng gawin. Pero I'm sure ginagawa ng paraan niya ng CMT para mailabas sila.
ASEC Charles Joseph, the Department of Foreign Affairs, reporting about more Filipinos being evacuated from Yemen, and again asking Filipinos to take advantage of the repatriation program of the Philippines, considering the deteriorating situation in Libya. We'll give you more details on that later on in our succeeding newscasts. Meanwhile, we now go back to the House Committee hearing on the Mama Saparo encounter.
Yes, Congressman Asedillo, please.
Mr. Chairman, I am